Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to set up a test session in NWEA. So once you log into NWEA, this is the screen that you'll see. So you're going to come up here to Manage Test Sessions, click on that, and then you're going to come down here to Test My Class. And it'll bring up all the classes that you are the teacher of. And so you select what class you want to test, so I'll just select that one, and then you click Test Now. There's your session. Here's the session name. Here's the password. Here's how many students I have in the class. So I do have 29 students. Let's say I had 30 students and somebody was missing from the list. I just come over here to Add Student, and I search for them and I can add them to my session. Now all the names will appear down below the screen, but for privacy I'm not showing student names. So I set these up ahead of time. You can put all of your classes in one test session if you want. I choose to do one session for each class. It just makes the management for me a little bit easier. It's personal preference. So now I have it set up for future, and I just say End Session. Now this is where I can rename my session name, and I always name it my name with the hour of the class. And so this is Irish 1A, and I'm going to save and exit. So now that test is saved, I can come back to it later. So when you log back in, you go to Manage Test Sessions, and then down here it says Save Testing Sessions. So you come over here and you say Show, and you scroll down, and there's a session name right there. So I make sure that that's clicked, and then I say Test Now. And then I'm ready to test the student, so Test Now. And there you go, there's the session. Here's the session name, Irish 1A. Here's the password for that day, so that's the password I'm going to give them. And then once they log in, you wait, and then you just confirm as they're logging in. And that's how you set up a testing session.